I'm Thalente Khomo. I was born in the south coast of KwaZulu-Natal. I'm now based in Durban. My art medium is photography. I'm a photographer. I think like when it clicked that I love photography, I was 9 when my maternal grandmother passed away. I had like at home, when she passed away, we had to look at her in her coffin. So that memory stayed with me. So I wanted something that was gonna erase the memory of her body being lifeless. So I turned to photographs in our family album, and then from then I've been fascinated by photography, and then I decided to study photography for 4 years. And then the artworks that are currently on show are about my friend Temsile Mthembu, and the title of the work is Wesifazane Wesimanje Manje, which means the new age woman. I was looking at how her being like girl from the rural areas and how she is also like this contemporary photographer and contemporary woman, and then we created these pieces just looking at her being a modern woman. Please come and enjoy the exhibition at the Northwest University. We would like to have you here looking at the art, enjoying the art. There's some amazing artists, so it would be great to have the community and everyone who loves art here.